Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix instant video message option not showing on WhatsApp. So if you guys would like to go ahead and fix this issue that the instant video message option is not showing on the application. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to make sure and double check our internet connections with our Wi-Fi and see if we are connected with our Wi-Fi. With a stable connection, you could also go ahead and contact your internet service provider and see if they are actually experienced some issues as of the moment. And as of once that is already done, you could also try out your cell data over here instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work yet. The last thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and double check over on our app stores if we have an update for the WhatsApp application. Now, double checking if the application that we have is up to date or if there is an update available will help us fix bugs like this and give us the best user experience possible. So go ahead and search for it. And if there is an update available, I would like you to proceed with updating your applications. Once it is all done, pick it out and go ahead and launch the application. Tap on your settings right here and the option to see the instant video messages option is gonna be located over onto the chat section right here. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.